P0017 error code is a common issue in vehicles that can cause problems with the engine performance and overall driving experience. In this guide we will explore the meaning of P0017 error code, its symptoms, causes, and solutions. The P0017 error code refers to a crankshaft position-camshaft position correlation bank 1 sensor circuit malfunction. This code indicates that the powertrain control module has detected a problem with the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors, which are responsible for monitoring the engine's timing and performance. Symptoms of the P0017 error code may include poor engine performance, rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, and difficulty starting the engine. In some cases, the vehicle may also experience a decrease in power and acceleration. The causes of the P0017 error code can vary, but common issues include faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensors, corroded or damaged wiring, and incorrect ignition timing. Other potential causes may include a faulty powertrain control module, low engine oil levels, or a malfunctioning oil pressure sensor. To solve the P0017 error code, it is recommended to start by scanning the vehicle's onboard diagnostics system to identify any other related trouble codes. Next, inspect the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors for any signs of damage or corrosion, and replace them if necessary. It is also important to check the wiring and connections for any damage or wear, and repair or replace them as needed. In addition to these steps, it is also a good idea to check the engine oil level and top it off if necessary, as low oil levels can cause the P0017 error code. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis and repair. Best practices for preventing the P0017 error code include regular maintenance and inspections of the engine and its components, as well as keeping the engine oil at the recommended level. By following these steps and staying on top of regular maintenance, vehicle owners can help prevent the P0017 error code and keep their engine running smoothly and efficiently.